everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to show the formula bar in Excel. Are you working on a report and you realize that the formula bar which normally appears here at the top is not showing? Well, it's because it has been hidden, or in other words, it has been disabled. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to enable it or show it. So go to the View tab, and then in the Show group, you'll see this icon, formula bar. So right now it is unchecked, so make sure you tick it, and there you go. So you can see now the formula bar is appearing. So if I click any cell, the formulas are clearly displayed. So that's how you show it. If you want to hide it again, go back to the view icon, and then in the Show group, click this icon, formula bar, and now it will be hidden. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.